Okay, so as we're talking about some sort of quiz making on Classroom app, or maybe even through Google Forms, all you have to do at first is to maybe open your class, whichever you want, go to classwork, create a quiz assignment. As soon as this thing will open, you have to click on this, um, form that has been given already along with the classroom connection, Okay, as we move towards the topic, of course, we can write anything, maybe EVS 3, lesson number 10, or whatever. It's up to you. I'm just giving an example. Moving towards the first thing you have to do is to give an option of name of student, or maybe student's full name, so that you can recognize very easily, and created, or maybe check the box required, because it's important. And when the students are filling the quiz, maybe they're doing the quiz before submitting, they cannot submit until they write their name. Secondly, we have various options for this. And when I'm talking about short answer, specifically I want to say for that, because whatever our question is, maybe uh, write, I'm just giving an example, okay? Write the opposite of happy. Okay, as I have written, I have to choose an answer key, choose 1 point for this question, and add the correct answer. For adding the correct answer, it's really important for us to choose a single format. I'm going to choose the caps lock. I will keep all the letters capital, so that when the students answer, I will inform them to write all the answers in capital letter. Because some of the times, some students will write like this. Their H will be capital, but the rest of the stuff will be, small letters. So this is how their question, or sorry, their answer will be wronged. It will not be graded properly. So I'm going to choose, uh, you know, something general, which can be used by all the students. They can use the caps lock to answer every single answer question. Secondly, I have to mark all other answers as incorrect, and this is how my quiz will be graded automatically. Then I have to choose done, adding another question. While we are working with the checkboxes or multiple choice, it's completely, I think, normal. You can easily add anything. And as soon as you add the options, maybe I'm going to add sad. The second option I'm going to add is crying, which is exactly not the right opposite. So now I have to choose answer key. For answer, I'm choosing the right option, which is sad, and I'm choosing done after that. This is how, when they will answer, or maybe when they will choose the right answer, it will be graded automatically. If you are not going to choose the answer key, none of the questions will be graded automatically, okay? One thing is this. This is how you will create all the questions. The second thing is to move towards the settings. As soon as you will open the settings side, you can see various options. Collect email addresses, no, we don't want that. But this is the thing we really want. Limit to one response. Each of the student will be able to send only one quiz result. They will be able to send only one answer, maybe only one. Yes, they will be able to do the quiz only one time. Second thing is, we have different options: edit after submit, see summary charts and text. We don't need this. Or I think this one should be done, because it will be easier for the students to see whether their answers are going correctly or right, whatever way, and they will be able to see how many answers are left. It will be nice for them. Presentation, show progress bar. I really want to keep this. And secondly, confirmation message. Here, I really want to write your quiz has been submitted, because this is how they are going to know that their quiz is being submitted, and they will never maybe send a message or ask for confirmation from you directly on WhatsApp that teacher, did you find my quiz or something like that? Because this message, they will be able to see this message automatically. So it's really nice. Or you can even add thank you before it. Okay, now moving towards quizzes. The setting which is already, this is the default setting. It's already correct. You don't need to make any changes here. And I'm gonna save it, save these settings. There's another side which is responses. For this thing, there are many options to it. You can see them by yourself too, but this is a really convenient option. After the kids have, your students have filled all the quiz and they have submitted everything, you can create a spreadsheet of all the answers along with the student names. I currently don't have anything with me, but I'm going to show it. Just wait. For example, you can look at this quiz that I took previously. I have 45 responses and I don't know, I cannot create a spreadsheet by myself. I can, but it will take a lot of time. And secondly, when we already have a spreadsheet option, then why do we need to take the hassle? So you will tap on view responses in sheets. This way you will be organized, you will be given with an organized data of all the students along with the time at which they submitted their test quiz, and you can see the student full name over here. It's really easy to organize and see which of the students haven't submitted the quiz. And you see, you can really easily recognize which are the students who haven't submitted, and then you can inform them in group or whatever, it's up to you. But it's really important for us to know how many of the students have submitted and how many of the students have not submitted until now. So this is a very convenient way. You can check the name of the students along with their answers too. While of course another thing is, as soon as the time is over, whichever time you have assigned the students with, for the quiz, you can stop accepting responses by doing this. I know you know it, but still just adding it as a point into it. While there is a very convenient option for us, you can name the quiz and it's saying all changes saved in Drive. You can actually close it and open the side where we actually created the quiz. I'm gonna write here EVS lesson 9 or 10, whatever, just the heading, and you will schedule it. That even at the same time, you won't have to publish it or save it or upload it by yourself. It will automatically be uploaded and you will schedule this thing. Remember to remove the points. You don't need 100 points for this. Okay, I think I should just keep it ungraded. Now schedule again. So this is how you can keep the quiz ready even before 1, 2, 3, 4, even before a week. So it's really convenient. That's it, guys. Thank you.